Some time ago, I ordered a keyboard switch opener and expect something like this. But when it arrived, it's not what I'm expecting. I may have chosen a wrong option during ordering, or, you know, instead of getting mad and throwing it away, I created a simple hack. So, as you can see, it doesn't have any flat base, and I will have a difficulty opening a switch. So, this is my simple hack. I grab an ample amount of polymer clay, mold it something like this, and bake it for 10 minutes at 150 degrees Celsius. Then you can make it something like an adapter. And now you can open any cherry or cherry-like switches with ease.